Hi there and welcome to this tutorial all about getting started in paperwork. So kind of go through the different modules and different areas within inside of paperwork, and then later tutorials will help you within those modules in those areas. So the first thing to note is there are four main modules within paperwork. So you can see these on the side. So we've got the information module at the top here. That's all about different information within inside the system itself. Then we've got the work module. This is all about sales, turning those sales into jobs, getting the documentation about those jobs, and then turning those into invoices and purchase orders. The next module is the relationships module. So this is about your customers, this is about your suppliers, and this is about the individuals that work at your customers and your suppliers. And then the last module here is all of the settings. So all kind of the background information you need to know to use the system to its full kind of effect. And we'll go through each one of these sections very quickly. So first of all, the information module. So we've got a dashboard. This just holds information that's kind of pulled through from these different modules, different areas within inside paperwork. Drill down is again information about the work package area, where you kind of move through your sales, through your jobs, finally into your invoicing. So you can kind of get all of the information about all of the jobs that are being done. And then live jobs is an information section which kind of shows you which jobs you want to be kept abreast of, kind of finding different items where you have customer sites that are active. So that's the information module. The next module, as we work down on this left-hand side, is the work module. So this is broken down into 4 or 5 areas, depending on the version you've got. So we've got opportunities. The opportunities area is all about quick form to fill in for customer service to get some information off the phone or off an email, put into the system that may or may not be followed up. These are opportunities, and then these get turned into sales. So sales is where you figure out your prices, your costs, your disposal routes, information about that for your clients. There's 3 types of sales, so price lists, agreements, and quotes. Once these sales have been confirmed and won, we convert these to jobs. So jobs are the information about a specific job that needs to be done. This contains your labels, your advice notes, your waste transfer note, and your consignment notes. Scheduling is an area that then you assign to your jobs. So operatives, drivers will be given jobs to do. They get scheduled against them. And then once the job has been completed, has finished, there's an invoicing section in here. Then also a purchase orders section to raise purchase orders for your suppliers. So that's kind of the work module. Next, we have the relationship module. So this is all about your customers, their customer sites. Then we have your suppliers, and again, your supplier sites. And then we have contacts. So contacts is all about the individuals, the human beings behind these organizations, and they can be assigned to one or many, both customers and suppliers, because one day an organization might be a customer, the next day there might be a supplier, but that human being stays the same. And then the final module that we've got down here is the settings module. So this is all about you as a user, your other users within inside your organization, their customer portal, so who has access to what within inside of a customer portal, the organization that is using the system, key information about the system itself, the finance area, kind of important about different example of finance, and then references area. So the references is all like kind of the key information in the background that helps you populate everything up, so you get this high quality data out of the system. So these kinds of 4 modules kind of work harmoniously together to give you the outputs that you would expect a modern day system to have. That's a very brief introduction to paperwork. In later videos, later tutorials, we'll go through these modules much more in depth, how they link together and what you can get out of them. This was just meant to give you an introduction. So thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.